never seen a cannabis leaf turn over in the rain, but you never know. There's a first time for everything. There's a first time for everything. Just one continuous rumble on. Amazing. Huh. Pretty wild. I'm impressed. It stopped for like 10 minutes. Still going. Loving it. Yeah. I don't know what it's doing up there, but sure is beaking off. All the raspberries are flowering. Won't be long. Gotta trip it. Usually it's a lot heavier cloud when you hear that crap, but it's just a light. Well, there's some lightning.